Right now I'm gonna show you how to replace this armrest on these Tahoes. It's very easy, just watch.
Cause say if you replace the leather, this piece or this piece, people always leave that for some reason.
I'm assuming they don't know how to take it off, but it's very easy. Just watch the video to the end.
So you're gonna come here, right? So first thing you do, you grab it, press it down. You see the leather here? This one here, push it in. You start pushing it in like this. Now look, if you're looking there, you see there's a pin around the metal, you see it? And it's right here. You need to remove this rubber band right here. Look at that. I just removed it. Then you're gonna grab those pins and push them out. All right, you see the pin coming out now? Look at that. Want to keep pushing that pin out. All right, there you go. The pin fell off already. Now what you want to do is pull it out. So that's how you remove the armrest.